Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Cody and Barrett with your business updates for today. Qantas Advantage Inc. is seeking to raise up to $15.47 million in its initial public offering, which opens April 22 and closes May 21st, with JMMB Securities acting as lead broker. Shares for the general public are priced at $19.39 each. The offer includes discounted shares for anchor investors at $17.45 and strategic investors at $18.42. About 21.9 million shares are available to the general public with a minimum subscription of 1,000 shares. Any shares not taken up by reserved investors will be made available to the wider market. According to the company's prospectus, the funds will be used to expand its investment portfolio and acquire additional assets while supporting regional growth into markets such as the Cayman Islands, the Dominican Republic, and the Bahamas. Qantas Advantage is a Barbadian-based investment company which provides financing to businesses across the Caribbean through structured finance and securitized assets backed by predictable cash flows. And Cygnus Real Estate Finance, SRF, has secured final regulatory approval from the Real Estate Board for its Lakes Bend Industrial Park development. In its recently published second quarter report, SRF noted that the approval now clears the way to convert early lot reservations into binding sale agreements. The Lakes Bend project, a 55-acre commercial and logistics hub in St. Catherine worth over $4 billion, is already under construction and is expected to deliver 34 serviced lots for industrial and distribution use. However, questions were raised during its recent earnings call about rising construction costs linked to the ongoing conflict in the Middle East and whether this could have an impact on its Lakes Bend project.
And we know that this spike that was triggered by the events in the Middle East, or so should I say the ongoing events in the Middle East, will continue to have an impact. But we believe that the framework that we have in place to manage this particular project, the manage the contractor, the form of contract, and so on, gives us a fairly robust position with respect to how we manage and mitigate this particular risk.
He says construction contracts already include provisions to manage price fluctuations and that the company builds in contingency reserves, labor adjustments, and market conditions into its financial modeling for each project. And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody Ann Barrett.